Mr. Beast!
Welcome to your final test. I'm Mr. Beast. We can scrap the S, cause I've never missed a beat. You had to cut from honey under threat of a gun blast. When I had to cut from honey, that's another check that I'm gone. Cash, you're coming last. Number one is Jimmy. You and dub you have is horribly written. You're accomplished cause you fought the opposition and became the best. But the consequences that you got to live with is you paid their debt. So to pay your debt, I applaud you getting into this game. You won't get rich. I'm like your mama, I'm dead sick. Then check the